Hi, I am Sharifah Nurusalatul Nadia.
And I am Nur Muhammad Haris. So today we will be sharing a little bit of our two journal article review.
I will be sharing about the first one and Lo will be sharing about the second one.
So let's get started.
The first journal article that will be covered by me is entitled Healthy Lifestyle and Academic Performance in Middle School Students from the Region of Aragon, Spain. And here is the reference of this journal article. For your information, this journal was written by 9 authors. A few of them are Hernando, Solanas, and Vela. Next, the main idea is to state that lifestyle habits affect students' academic performance. In addition, the purpose of the study is to analyze the association between specific lifestyle habits, namely diet, sleep, physical activity, use of screens, and use of substance, and academic performance in adolescents aged 12 to 15 from the region of Aragon, Spain. To continue, methodology has 3 different subtopics, which are participant, procedure, and instrument. First of all, participants. The following study was conducted on all students in the 7 and 8 grades enrolled in the chosen 5,132 middle schools. However, they did not accept any students who failed to speak Spanish. In the end, 1,745 students consented to participate in this study. The technique used to choose a random sample of schools was using Research Randomizer application. Furthermore, the participants were surveyed about their daily lifestyle habits. For this purpose, a well-structured and administered questionnaire was used. Lastly, design, instrument, and method. In details, categorical variables were analyzed using frequencies and percentage, while numerical variables were analyzed using mean and standard deviation. Lastly, the statistical analysis was performed using SDATA/SEV16.0 software, and the majority of inferential analysis used the Mann-Whiteley U-test. The results were then presented in table formats. Now, we will proceed to the findings. The study had a total of 1,745 participants with a response rate of 34%. The students' average age was 13.03 years and 45.43% of them were male. Next, more than 90% said they were in excellent or good health. The students received an average grade of 6.75 out of 10. Next, academic performance was positively impacted by healthy eating practices. On the other hand, eating chips, candy, and soft drinks had a negative impact on academic performance. At the same time, regular physical activity on both a team and an individual basis was linked positively to academic performance. Academic performance and weekly screen usage were inversely related. Next, the study discovered a bad correlation between substance use and academic achievement, regardless of when it started. The last part is I am going to share a summary of this journal article. The issue of whether students' habits have an impact on their academic performance is covered in this journal. After conducting research using questionnaires, the study tried to determine whether its initial hypothesis that lifestyle habits affect students' academic performance was true. Thus, it can be concluded that students' habits will undoubtedly have an impact on their health and academic performance. Academic performance will suffer if students lead unhealthy lifestyles. However, in order to limit that harm, each one of us must maintain a healthy lifestyle by getting sufficient sleep, eating balanced diet, exercising frequently, and doing many other things. Thus, it is important to remember that how we live our life has a significant impact on how well we do academically and can either help or hurt us as students.
I will be continuing this by summarizing my journal article, which is the second journal for today. The title for this journal article is Understanding the Impact of Lifestyle on the Academic Performance of Middle and High School Students, 2019. As you guys can see, this is the reference for this journal article. Next, this journal article only has 2 authors, which is Suchitra Rajendran and also S. Chamudeswari. Furthermore, a healthy lifestyle affects academic performance in a positive relationship is the main idea for this journal article. Move on to the next part. The purpose of this study is to explore the direct and indirect relationship between lifestyle and academic performance among adolescents in India. as well as to determine the correlation between a student's lifestyle and academic performance in middle and high school. Moreover, the methodology that has been used in this journal article are divided into three sections, which is participants, procedure, and designs or instrument or methods. So, for the first one, participants that participated in this journal article are students in middle and high school from 18 different schools in a heavily populated Indian metropolis. The selected schools vary in terms of gender education, educational medium, and also educational board, indicating a representation of both female and male students. However, the information was unspecific on participant age, gender, and grade level. Subsequently, for the procedure, the researchers used path analysis, which is a sequence of multiple regression to investigate the reasons behind the correlation between the variables. The researchers also verified the data's linearity, independence, normality, and homoscedasticity before the investigation. Lastly, in order to address potential multi-collinearity concerns, they standardized variables to Z-score, which is a suggestion from Prego and others back when they did their research article in 2016. To continue, there are three designs that have been used, and the first one is confounding variables. Student demographics were considered as potential confounding variables, accounting for factors beyond a healthy lifestyle that could affect academic achievement. Other than that is Holmes and Rahit scale. This scale measured students' stress level based on significant life experience using a questionnaire with 43 listed events and a cumulative score. What's more, the researchers used the fantastic questionnaire to evaluate various aspects of life through 21 question grade on a Likert scale, providing a comprehensive lifestyle score. Last but not least, after a lot of revision done by me to conclude this journal article, I discovered that it has a total of 8 findings, which include the study had a high response rate. The participants include 50.77% males and others are female, with an average age of 14.35 years. Only 1 in 4 students led a healthy lifestyle, while 4.5% were classified as obese. The majority reported high stress, while a minority reported low stress. A strong correlation was found between a healthy lifestyle and lower stress level. Stress explained 32% of academic performance variance, while a healthy lifestyle positively influenced academic achievement and reduced obesity. The supported hypothesis includes healthy lifestyle improve academic attainment and stress negatively affects it, while the rejected one is no obesity and academic achievement link. And the last one is it is crucial for academic performance and stress management among students. In a nutshell, this study examines how Indian students' lifestyle affect their academic achievement, highlighting the complicated connection between many variables. It demonstrates that establishing a healthy habits has a favorable impact on academic achievement, while experiencing high amount of stress has a negative impact. The study finds a link between stress and a poor lifestyle, indicating that healthy lifestyle lead to lower stress level. Furthermore, it finds a link between stress and obesity, indicating that high level of stress may aid in the development of obesity in students. Meanwhile, interesting findings from studies show that academic achievement is not strongly predicted by obesity itself. Furthermore, the study points out the need of encouraging students to adopt healthy habits in order to improve their academic achievement.
That is all from us for this video.
Thank you for watching.